Hey guys, so my Redmi Note 12 has just received the HyperOS update, and as you can see the device is currently updating. I've downloaded the updates, now it's updating, and if you look closely you see that the update size is about 4.4 gigabytes. This is the HyperOS version 1.0.2.0. Let's say 1.0.2. This is Xiaomi's latest custom UI. It is supposed to be the MIUI 15, but Xiaomi rebranded the UI and named it Xiaomi HyperOS. This will be the official OS of all Xiaomi devices starting from next year. I believe basically not all Xiaomi devices actually, but the recent Xiaomi devices, like new and not too old Xiaomi devices that are still supported, would receive this update. Yeah, so this is the HyperOS on the Redmi Note 12 4G. This is the Redmi Note 12 version that doesn't support NFC. This version doesn't support NFC. It is the 4G version. 6GB RAM, 128GB internal storage. Let me show you the back of the device. So as you can see, it's the Redmi Note 12, so this isn't a clickbait or whatever video. And I think this HyperOS, of course, is coming with the Android 14 operating system, which is going to be nice. So here we go, guys. As you can see, this is the new boot up logo, or the boot logo, whatever you call it. It states powered by Xiaomi HyperOS. Alright, so it has finished booting up. So here we are, guys. The HyperOS 1.0, Xiaomi's new custom UI. Alright, so if there's one thing I love about this new update, it is this new charging animation that comes with the update. Right, I'm going to shut up right now and play with the device a little bit.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. I started to grow. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of left, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
So yeah, what are your thoughts? Feel free to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.